Hello all, welcome back to our channel. So students, in this video I will give you important tips to follow in your GST subject, so that don't skip the video and watch till end. This video will be helpful for you to gain good grade in your final examination. Okay, so as you all know, GST is a 50 marks paper and passing is only 18 marks, and examination hours is 3 hours. Okay, so this is the data about the GST subject. So this is the common subject as you for BCom generals and BCom computer students. So out of 50 marks paper, 18 marks is passing. So long question each carries 8 marks, short question each carries 2 marks. I think this all you know about the data which you are having in your GST. So in the GST, the first important tip you need to remember is that screens. Drawing the screens is very much important in this GST subject, because the screen itself has a 40% of the ability to score the marks in your final examination. So especially in chapter 1, chapter 2, chapter 4, out of this, in these 3 chapters, definitely you are having a screens. For every questions you need to draw the screen. How many screens you will have, ma? There are 7 screens in your GST syllabus. So I have uploaded a detailed video regarding the screens. I will mention the links in the comment box. Just go and check out the screens. The 7 screens which I have drawn in my notes, that should be represented in this first unit, second unit and fourth unit questions while you are attempting. That is 9th question in the examination, 10th question in the examination, 12th question in the examination. In these questions, definitely the screens you need to draw it, and use only black pen for the screens and for your handwriting purpose also. Don't use a pencil to draw the screen. Why? Because as yours is a digital correction, black pen itself gives you a clear representation of your screens in digital format. Okay, so this is the main thing you need to remember it, ma. Next one, remembering your answers and providing your answers in 3 sides. Why they have given 3 hours of the duration for 50 marks paper means the student should draw the screens. There only the half of the time will be consumed. Yes, so remaining half neatly you need to present your theory, and theoretical answers is important when you are writing it. So neatly you need to present it, ma. Like how can you present it? For example, this is your answer. After drawing answer, you need to draw the screen which is related to the answer. After that, you need to write the steps. From the above screen, we can say that click on this, click on that, then you will enable to the screens. Like that you need to write the answers in a step format, in a procedure. Okay, so don't write the answers in a paragraph format, ma. Definitely you will fail it when you write the answers in a paragraph form. So definitely every student should write their answers in the point wise. Like for example, step wise. Step 1, what you are having. Step 2, what you are having. Step 3, what you are having. Like that you need to draw your answers. So I have uploaded my notes in the Telegram group. So there you can see how I have wrote the explanation of the answers, how I have wrote the answer. Same like that only you need to present that answers in your booklet in the final examination. And the last tip I can say it, ma, attempt every question. 5 long, 5 short, both question you need to attempt it. Whether you know or don't know the question, definitely you need to attempt each and every question, whole question paper thoroughly. Okay, so when you attempt full paper only, definitely there is a chances of scoring O grade in this subject. Okay, because why I am specifically saying you to attempt a whole question paper means, definitely well evaluating your paper, definitely for attempting at least they can give 3 to 4 marks, or else 3 marks or 2 marks, which will be helpful for you to increase your final grade. So this is the tips you follow before your examination. I hope that you have got clarity. If you are having any further doubts, let me know in the comment section. All the very best, and see you all in the next video. Bye bye, students.